I was recommended to come here by my GP, and I met Mr. Howard Ware.
She knew what her diagnosis was. She had early osteoarthritis in both knees, and she tried all forms of treatment to avoid surgery.
When Howard and I first met, he asked me if I had any concerns about the surgery, and this is very shallow, but my major concern was the scarring. And my scars are amazing. They are hardly noticeable. I have to point them out to people. They don't see them. They are fabulous. After surgery, the Wellington had me up on my feet the following day, walking. And I walked the London Marathon with Major Phil Packer for Help for Heroes. That was my goal 5 months to the day after I had my knees replaced. So as far as I'm concerned, Howard rebuilt my life for me.